Alright, this is a quick introduction to the add-on called the Choice Eliminator 2. This could be found for Google Forms. This is my demo form, and I got to title it up here. I just click on that, but y'all need that. Now what this does, the Choice Eliminator 2 is an add-on for Google Forms, and what it does, it enables your form that whenever your users that are filling out the form select an option and you only want them to have one person for that option, when that option is selected, then it goes away for the next person. If you don't have the add-on, maybe here to your hamburger menu, come down to the end, click add-ons. It takes you to the little window, your little store window. And up here, if it doesn't come up right away like mine does, you type in Choice Eliminator 2. Then you would click, find one I don't have, the blue button that will show up here. I've already got mine, so I'm not going to re-add it again. And you add the Choice Eliminator 2 to your Google Forms. Once you've added once, it's there for the rest of the time till you take it off. Now what you do is you go ahead and have your form filled out. Then you come up to your little puzzle piece, is where your add-ons are at, and activate or click on Choice Eliminator 2 to configure it. Now it's going to bring up this little box right here, and it should have all three of these questions listed. Now click the question title to enable or disable the elimination. So let's start with the individual time Friday. If you have not created a spreadsheet yet, it will create one for you. You click on Eliminate Choices. When it creates, you'll have the options turn green. I mean, you can have your options ready for you. So what this is going to do is whenever this is made live, you can preview it or send it out and people choose a time. Let's see. I want to select 4 o'clock. Now I only have one 4 o'clock slot, so whenever I submit it, the next person that comes along and fills out this form, 4 o'clock should no longer be available to them. And look, 4 o'clock's gone. You go from 3:30 to 4:30. Then the next person maybe wants 4:30. Come down here and you click Submit. So on and so forth. So as each selection is chosen, and if you only want one person to sign up there, those times go away after each selection. Now, another way, get rid of the demo. Let's go to the group sign up time Friday. Now, we click the button. We still have this here. We click that question. Say yes, we want to eliminate choices. That's creating. Then momentarily we'll have, okay, there we go, choice options. Now this is a group sign up time. So obviously you're going to have more than one person signing up for these groups, but you don't want over 10 per section. So the way you change this is you click on that choice options, and it brings up another little window here. And how many people do you want at your 3 o'clock group? Maybe you want it as a group, so let's have 2 choices. Maybe you want 5 choices at 3:30. However many you want at the group, that's your decision. And then when all of these groups have been filled up and there's no more room to sign up, you can have a custom message that they'll see that when everything is gone, this is your message will be what they see. Sorry, we're all booked up. So we have that. Now, what if after you had all this activated, you suddenly remember that you could go to 5:30? Don't come over here and add it back in the Google Sheet. Add it right in here, because if you don't add it from this window, you're not going to get the results that you want. You come down here and you click plus, then you suddenly remembered you have a 6 o'clock availability that you can do. But you only want 2 participants in this group sign up. So then, when that happens, you can go to your preview time, X that out, go to your preview. We can submit. I don't remember making that up. Submit. We have to wait a lot of time to make sure it has time to activate the hidden response. And I am really tired, so I don't know. I thought I had not made that required. So 3:30, submit. Anyway, you get the idea. So it could be after you have made all this, you want to unhide your items to use it again next year. You can do that as well. I'm trying to get all of these choices used up. I may have bit off more than I can chew. I have to wait a lot of time. This is my last one for the individual. That's all I can have. And I didn't change the message on that, so I'm going to get a default message. Wait a lot of time. You see, my individual times, no more options. Now, what you can do to get all of these to show back up, come up here to your responses. There it is. It's taking a sweet time. Come up here to the choice eliminator. Configure it. And you see the process time. You have to wait 3.065 seconds for it to enable. So click on the questions. If you click on this hamburger menu, you can say restore all of your options. You give it a minute and see all your options came back. Now you could use it again for next time after you take out your responses. So this is just a handy little add-on you could put in with your Google Forms to eliminate choices as people select them. Thanks for watching. I can figure out how to turn this off. There we go.